guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I do a yarn 2-strand twist crochet install. And yes, I made my own 2-strand twists. If you would like to see how I made them, let me know in the comment section below and I will get that video up for you. I just did not want to put that in this video because it would have been a very long video. But yes, it is a yarn 2-strand twist crochet install, and this is the yarn that I used. It is the Red Heart yarn. Yeah, you have to make sure it's 100% acrylic because the 100% acrylic, it will not lock up in your hair. I'm not sure about the wool yarn. I never used that before, but I do know for sure because I've been doing these crochet yarn twists in my customers' hair for about a year or two now, and nobody had any issues with the yarn locking up in their hair. These are the twists right here that I made, and yeah, so this is the blonde, and they are very long. You can make them however long you want. And this is the burgundy ones that I put in her hair, and on the ends I did seal them off with a lighter, and as you can see, they do open up. And if you can't see it right here, you'll see in the video ahead. So yeah, you can make them in all kinds of yarn colors. However, if you just want something basic like a brown, for instance, I made brown ones. And I did bundle them up because I do retail these as well. Another customer of mine, she requested these together. So yeah, you can kind of make it how you want. Another customer of mine, she requested army fatigue. My last customer, she requested, because she's Jamaican, so I started hers, but I didn't finish them. But here's her highlight pieces that she will be having in her hair. It's going to be green, yellow, and black. So you can have fun with these. You can make them short, you can make them medium, you can make them long. The choice is yours. I will show you in the video what not to do. You don't want to install these twists underneath the braid. You want to install them through the braid so that you won't have any breakage. If you guys have any other questions, just let me know in the comment section below and I will get back to you. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching, guys.
Late nights, been on long flights, stayed on strange time. It's a strange time in my life. I took a drive home to clear my mind, and I ended back at your spot for what felt like the millionth time. Reconnection from separate sections, cause we could meet in the middle with no sense of direction. If it's sun up to sundown, we mess around, we're way too involved now. I never wanted someone to disappear, to disappear, to just get out of here. I never wanted someone to take control. I let you take control, I let you in too close. So baby, just go ghost. Now baby, just go ghost. Hey, you called, I let you in and 4 walls. Kept our secrets hidden, eating fruit so forbidden. Kept our secrets safe, cause the temptation, it felt like pure relation. I gave you my attention, but now it's hard to mention. I don't feel a spark when you say my name. Reconnection from separate sections, cause we could meet in the middle with no sense of direction. If it's sun up to sundown, we mess around, we're way too involved now. I never wanted someone to disappear, to disappear. baby,